Hi everyone, it's Sue. Are you ready for some great 50s music and some summer lovin'? Then you came to the right place. Grease, starring John Travolta and Olivia Newton-John, is probably the best summer musical ever. Filled with the trials and tribulations of growing up in the 50s as a teenager and accompanied by all the rockin' music, this is a must-see. So welcome to week 4 of my summer movie challenges. What are they all about, you might ask? Well, if you are crafty at all, if you do DIY projects, you're really good at dancing, or you're really good at art and painting. You can do whatever it is that you do, you just have to do it in the theme of the movie. So check out the description box below as well as the end of this video to find out all the details. So twice a week, every week for the month of June, is a special summer movie themed challenge. So please participate, because if you do, I will give you a shout out on my channel. So check out all the details below. So if you would like to see what artwork was inspired by Grease, the movie in the 50s, let's hop on down to the sock hop and find out. Before we get started, I just want to give a shout out to those channels who participated in the Great Outdoors Challenge. Thanks so much to Cujin Comic Art. Please check out his channel below and his lovely animated creations, as well as KMom14, who also made a fantastic contribution to the challenge, and I will list her channel below as well. So for this challenge, I wanted to recreate this poster for the movie Grease. So I used my 300 series Strathmore Bristol Vellum paper, as well as my Prismacolor portrait colored pencil set and my Faber-Castell polychromos. Now, after my disappointment with Elvis, I wanted to really take my time and do a good job on this one and get my proportions right. So I found an app that will put a grid on your reference photo. So then I copied the grid onto my paper and use it to try to draw my proportions a little bit more accurately, and I thought this really helped a lot. So armed with that, I went ahead and sketched out my portrait of Olivia Newton-John and John Travolta and used my colored pencils to try to recreate the movie poster. So let me know what you think, and like I said, if you are just learning how to draw or if you want to improve your portrait drawing, I highly recommend using the grid method. You just put the grid on very lightly and then erase it at the end, and it really does help you get everything into proportion. So sit back, relax, and rock and roll. And just a reminder for this June Summer Movie Challenge that your DIY or art project must be in the theme of the movie, and you need to explain in your video how that theme is reflected. You must be subscribed to my channel and mention the collaboration and playlist in your video. You should also link my channel in your description box. Please upload your video at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the day of the movie. You can do one or as many as you like. For people to find your video, you need to put the correct hashtag in your title, and I will list those in the description box below. I also give a shout out to everyone who participates. So here is the lineup. These movies are going to be on Wednesdays and Fridays. So June the 2nd is National Lampoon's Vacation with Chevy Chase. June the 4th is Blue Hawaii with Elvis. June the 9th is The Great Outdoors with John Candy and Dan Aykroyd. June 11th is Grease with Olivia Newton-John and John Travolta. June 16th is Splash with Tom Hanks and Daryl Hannah. June 18th is Point Break with Patrick Swayze and Keanu Reeves. June 23rd is Summer Rental with John Candy. And finally, June 25th with Jaws and Roy Scheider. I hope you join in the summer fun, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.